Good afternoon, everyone. I am so excited because I got home and placed an order on Disney. And let me go over here. Let me show you what it was. I picked out my favorite character and I scrolled down and I clicked on the figural mug. And I thought, oh, how cute. I've got to get one of these Pluto figural mugs. So I ordered it and it came today. And I'm going to do a review for you on what it looks like, how heavy it is, and so forth. I absolutely love this beautiful mug. It's a delight to have it. Like if you go to a Disney park, you can take it with you and have your coffee out of it every morning. And you can possibly take it and have it refilled with your favorite beverage. So let me unbox it for you and show you what it looks like. This is the beautiful box that came in today. And I already opened it. As you can see, I was just too excited to wait on this mug here. So I already opened it before I got home. And here it is. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful is this mug? And it's official Disney Park merchandise. Let me move this box out of the way. It's official Walt Disney World merchandise. And I believe it is a 12-ounce cup. If you can look down in there, the nose can even be filled up with fluid. It goes down into the nose. Let me lighten that a little bit for you. I don't know if y'all can see down in there, but it goes down into the nose, so it's like a 12 or 16 ounce beautiful Pluto mug purchased at the Walt Disney World Disney shop. It comes with a number down here. Let's tear that off a minute. And it's authentic. Look at the hidden Mickey ears right there. Those are the little hidden Mickey ears. And it's the 90th anniversary edition. And I love it. I absolutely love it. This is the Disney Park symbol, and that's Pluto's symbol. I absolutely love it. I love Pluto. I know this will be a great, great mug to use. It's very unique. And I think he's going to go on my shelf after I drink my coffee out of it. Again, it's kind of heavy. It's like a heavy-ish style mug. It's really, really a really cute mug. I absolutely love it. What a treasure. And I'm a huge Pluto fan. So this is my beautiful Pluto mug, unboxed. The ear is one of the handles. He's got another ear over here, but the other ear is one of the handles on it, and it's so, so adorable. He's got a green collar and everything. Goes all the way around. I just absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. So, so cute. And you can find this unique Pluto figural mug on Shop Disney. And it'll come right to your front door if you want it to. Every day will be better when you and Pluto put your heads together. This fun figural mug is sculpted into the happy face of Mickey's canine companion, with his ear forming the handle. Okay, the ceramic hot beverage mug, it could hold a hot beverage. The sculpted Pluto head, Pluto's ear forms the handle. And it is microwavable. Wash thoroughly before the first use. It's dishwasher safe, ceramic, 4.5 inch, holds 20 to 1/4 ounce. I was almost right on it. And it's imported, and they can ship it to you. Right over here at Shop Disney. Wait a minute. right over here at Shop Disney. The delivery time frame may be delayed a little bit, kind of like mine. Mine was a little bit delayed, but it got here. And of course, I love that nose right there. Let's look at the reviews. A lot of people are very happy with this mug. As a Pluto fan, having this mug was great. Totally cute and big. Someone else is a Pluto fan. Someone else said it's absolutely adorable in person, much larger than I thought it would be, kind of like me. It's much larger than I thought it would be, but it's a perfect gift for my Pluto-loving daughter. These make great gifts. You can also find other stuff here at Disney. But the main thing is, oh yeah, I like that mug right there. I like that mug. Yep, that's the next mug I'm going to get. The cocoa one. This mug, this Pluto mug, it's great for any and every occasion. I just left a review on this beautiful, beautiful Pluto mug that I love very much. They do make great gifts if you're a fan of Pluto. And I said, I love it. I said, as a huge fan of Pluto, this mug is excellent. It's perfect for hot coffee or cold drinks, and I believe I'll be taking this to Disney next time I visit. Yes, I recommend this cup. Okay, my review was just now submitted on the beautiful, beautiful, if you can see, the beautiful Pluto mug on Shop Disney. And I love it. It's great. I love this beautiful mug. It's a joy. It's a delight. It's fun. It's creative. And of course, I love Pluto. I love this very much. I most especially love the detail of the cup. And of course the ear. As the handle. And the nose. I love the nose too. And the mouth. They made sure they have the cute mouth turned up as a smile. Of course, I love Pluto, and of course I'm a huge fan. And I'm just about to go try this beautiful cup out. It's so awesome. It's so awesome. I love that mouth and that nose. So cute. Shop Disney. That's where you find it. Shop Disney Parks, Walt Disney World. Pluto mug. And it's the figural mug. And you can find it by typing in the word Pluto. And it comes up right there. Pluto and Disney. Just click on that. And it'll take you right to it. Mickey's Loyal Pup. And there's all kinds of Pluto t-shirts if you love Pluto. All things Pluto if you love Pluto. They have plushes and everything. So probably next thing you know, I'll get a cup like that. That's cute. You can have it personalized. Really, really cute. Shop Walt Disney World. And this has made a perfect addition to my cup cabinet, and I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using my beloved Pluto cup. I'm going to be putting it to good use. I'm going to be having tea and coffee and juice out of it. And I'm going to enjoy looking at Pluto. They also have magic bands. Those are so cute. So cute. But the main thing I love is this Pluto mug. I love it, love it, love it. They make great birthday gifts. A great surprise. Of course, it was a great surprise for me to get it in the mail. I love it. I love it. And if you've enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.